Hi, good evening, good morning. I'm Christian P. Kimisala, currently applying for the Sales Development Representative in Wing Assistant Work from Home. So I don't have any experience in sales, like BPO. I may not have direct sales experience yet, but I bring strong communication skills, fast learning, and genuine interest in helping people. But in the past work, I have a experience on marketing in a bank. Like we go to every schools, sell our product to the teachers so they can take a loan. And after that, my current work, today, my current work is in a Casa Verde, is a restaurant. So I'm a food server. And before Casa Verde, I worked in a hotel. I'm also a server there. So at least I have some little experience of communicating people, different nationalities. That's all.